Yo, how do you guys celebrate New Year's? I know like in the US, people waiting for the ball to drop in Times Square, and to celebrate Chinese New Year, people like shoot fireworks. But in here, people are celebrating their New Year, splashing each other to wish them a good luck. And today is April 15th. I am currently in Jinghong in Xishuangbanna Dai Autonomous Region. And today is the day that the whole town goes splashing like crazy. And before we go out, I think we have some practices to do. I think now I'm ready. And for today's only, the cities go full splashing without limit. The New Year in Dai people's calendar usually happens in mid-April, around April 13th. And the city will prepare for this big celebration with a big event. To enjoy this event, the city shuts down its main road. And currently we are walking towards where the main event happens. It happens in a square. Water Splashing Square. That's a pretty straightforward name. Everyone is participating in this celebration. Look at that. Walmart. Set the fire to the rain. It's only like a several meter walk to the square. But look at me. I'm already soaked when I get there. Yo, I'm back. Took a shower, changed up. Oh man, I wasn't expecting that many people with that much water. I mean, the whole square is like a shallow frying pan. There's a layer of water, and then people just splashing, like fill it up with your like basin and then splashing each other. That's the way to celebrate a new year. And everyone, I mean everyone, including the police, SWAT team, like they were patrolling to make sure it was fine, but people was splashing them with water guns. It was so funny. It only can happen today. It can only happen in China. Yo, don't do this in America. Yo, it's an exhausting event. Those practices I did, it really helps. Alright man, that's today's vlog. And Happy New Year!
Those are some terrible shapes for a floor tile.